Yep. You definitely. You should hook it on the hook, Amber. On the hook. Oh my God. I can't find it. No, you need to submerge it. Submerge.
Now how old is it? Okay. Let's do it.
I can't. I don't know. Look at the egg. It won't escape.
I can't look at the egg and do 60 seconds as well.
Okay. Submerge, submerge.
Okay.
Okay.
Just give that a minute.
Okay. Ah, that's hot.
It's going to be very hot. Small science experiment. Small science experiment.
See the sign.
60 seconds. 60 seconds.
No, we have 4 eggs.
Very good.
4 eggs.
I bet.
Ready?
I'm ready, yes.
5 minutes.
Ah, not ready.
Not
The
quite.
one for Muhammad, it's 4 minutes. 4 or 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
No, not 5.
No. Maybe 2 minutes. Maybe.
I say
Really?
3.
Why? Because it's
3.
water.
3 minutes because the water is
Yeah.
already boiling.
It's hard to know the temperature. It's difficult to know.
More than 100.
Yeah.
What, are you going to put both of them? Just cook it on this.
My idea to get, you can't do cook it on that. My idea is together they won't move.
Yeah. But keep it for 3. I think it's 4.5 minutes. Yeah.
I wouldn't touch this.
It's very hot, yes. Just wait.
Don't touch it. With a napkin.
Can I help you?
Yeah. So just wait a little bit. I think.
Please, feel
Please.
They sound like boiled.
free. Yeah.
They sound like boiled?
They sound.
And they look like it.
Oh no!
Almost.
Well, that can be eaten.
So
That's actually like
this
how
works just a
high
normal, like a normal stove.
I like the egg.
You like them like that?
Yeah.
The next one is yours.
The times are just like a normal stove.
I would
probably.
Yeah.
say that's the experiment,
Yeah.
definitely. Yeah.
You have conclusions, which is good.
Yeah, shall we boil this a little longer?
Yeah, this one longer.
2 more minutes.
3.
Maybe 1 more
Because-
minute
because
actually.
there's lots of. This one is eatable.
If you want, you can take them.
No, thank you.
No?
It's like a
Just
fried
8
egg.
breads.
Yeah.
Mas eu normalmente a minha
It's
maneira
really
de fazer
interesting.
os doces,
Yeah, this is
Eu gosto
definitely
de
more
líquido
boiled.
também. Ou- Não,
outside
mas
should be
líquido é
cooked.
pronto.
It should be like that.
This is so funny. Oh. Well, just keep it on the surface, otherwise you'll lose the egg. Yeah, we came 2 days ago and we were discussing this, like, how long does it take? Yeah. Don't touch it. Do not touch it. Really? Don't touch it.
All right, that sounds better.
Yes.
I think it's still soft in the middle.
Ramen egg. It's still soft.
Like a ramen egg, yes.
It's very soft.
But
Ah, that we
I
can
think
eat.
that may
Yes.
be cooked.
that's now a
Who
valid
brought the
word.
salt?
Nobody.
Salt and pepper, guys.
This is cooked, guys. Yeah.
Congratulations.
minutes.
On the 4th egg,
We beat the bus.
Yeah, the fourth egg is lost.
Ja, maar ze staan. Ah, hier staat. Hier staat nog.
You think it's still soft
No,
inside?
I think the inside will be a little
Running?
bit like this,
Still
but
Yeah.
perfect.
But that's a good egg, even if it's liquid.
Yeah,
it's a good
yeah.
egg
Yes.
already. It's better.
I
Yeah.
think this is cooked.
It's half cooked.
Let's see. Oh,
See,
that's
that's
good.
That's a perfect.
That's a good
Okay.
egg. That's a good egg.
Ramen egg.
So you have now
Yeah.
doing a great service
That's a
for
Benedict.
science.
It's a Benedict.
Now we know.
No,
That must be really hard boiled.
yeah, but we'll never see that one again. And now we're going across.